Hello, hi guys.
Just say something. What is hi?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. My returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, today is Sunday and this is another week that I'm going to be doing a vlog, and I just got back from church not quite long. Today's service was a pre-Shiloh anointing service because this week Shiloh is going to start and we are going to be doing this together. So I mentioned in my channel that I was going to be doing vlogmas, but you know, baby girl has changed her plan because vlogmas is for those that have the strength, and vlogging every day is not a problem for me, but you see that posting every day, it's a big problem because when I want to see data today upload every day, like I don't understand. I beg, I don't leave am for those who get the strength. I'm no longer doing vlogmas. So what I'll be doing is instead of posting the everyday vlog, maybe I'm just going to make it week 1 vlogmas, you know, week 2 vlogmas, and all. I'm just going to make it weekly vlog instead of just posting every single day. I don't have the strength to do that. I beg, I know they. So guys, I want to make food, and I actually want to try a particular challenge I saw from Delicious Food. Yes, trying out cooking a goosey soup with 1,000 naira, and that process is actually for students like us that don't have a lot of money to be doing all orishi inside the soup. So I'm going to be trying that. But today is Sunday, I went to the market to buy stuff at Okeodo. For those that are in Ilorin, you know where Okeodo is. So I went there to buy the stuff, but I didn't get everything, so I can't make the soup today again. Until tomorrow I'll have to go and look for. I don't know why, like I did not see ugu to buy. Even yellow pepper I don't see buy. I don't just understand how this place be. But anyways, I'm just going to make my stew, and let me just show you guys what I bought at the market. So guys, this is what I bought from the market today. This potato you are seeing here, like this, is 200 naira, and then I got this banana for 200 naira as well. So you know, once in a while we need them fruits in our life. So this is my tomato and pepper already grinded. I bought the tomato and pepper for 300 naira, and then I grinded it for 100 naira. This is ginger spice. I got it for 100 naira. And this is crayfish. I got the crayfish as well for 100 naira. And this is the egusi that I bought 1 cup for 250. Yes, but I can't make the soup today, and even though I'm craving swallow, I'm tired of rice. But anyways, I don't have a choice. I just have to wait until I'll be able to make it. But for now, I've only gotten the egusi. And then this is my fish that I got for 500 naira. Honestly, I thought I'll be able to make the soup so that I'll use it with my stew, but now the stew is just going to enjoy all the fish because I cannot keep the fish until when I'll make the soup again. So if not, I would have bought normally, because this is student budget, I would have bought 300 naira fish, but I thought I was going to make 2 soup, that's my stew and the egusi. But anyways, this is pomo. I got the pomo for 200 naira. So this is what, baby girl, I'm just going to prepare my stew. Maybe I'm going to boil potato instead of rice, but I don't know, whichever one I end up doing. But you see this banana, I need to come and smash it, okay?
say something.
Hi.
What is hi? Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Um.
Really? Hey guys, I'm having a productive day. Today is Tuesday and the first day of Shiloh. Although it's not time yet. Earlier today I worked on my seminar topic, although I'm not done. And then I went to MTN office to upgrade my SIM card because it's been very long. My SIM card is 3G, so I went to upgrade it. And right now I'm currently in school. I'm going to see one of my friends that I once did a love prank on in my channel here. So in case you've not seen that video, do well to go and check it. I'm currently going towards the CBT area to see my lovely friend. You running? Hey, I want them to see your face. So guys, my friend is camera shy, is running away from the camera. But anyways, I'm here now and I've seen him after a very long time. So I'm just going to change my SIM card and we'll continue the vlog.
Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday and I honestly don't feel like going out today. I'm not done with my seminar, and the reason why I'm always going out to do my seminar is because my laptop is not functioning for now. Not as if it's not functioning, that's the laptop that I'm using it to watch a movie, but then the battery is not strong, so I'm planning to get a new battery and also upgrade it. It's actually the laptop my uncle gave me recently, so I just have to fix some certain things in it before I start using it to make my report. So for now I'm using someone else's laptop to prepare my seminar pending when I'll fix my laptop. So but today I went there Monday and yesterday Tuesday, but today I just have a feeling that I should just stay at home. Like I don't want to go out at all today. So the only thing that will take me out today is going for Shiloh, second day of Shiloh. So that's what I'll do. And today my friend might come around to make her hair. She said she wants to make a twist, so I don't know. Although today I just want to just be inside. I don't want to do anything, but I'll try and see if I can make it for her. So until then, let me just enjoy my food. I'm eating this potato and stew, and then I'll watch a movie, and yeah, if I have the strength and the time. I mean, of course, I have the time, but then it's the strength to actually call her and say, okay, it's time for you to come and make your hair. Then you guys are definitely going to see her. Hey guys, my friend is finally here and I've made her hair. Come and show them your hair.
Hello, hi guys.
See, fine girl, black beauty. Oh my god. You don't do, so they feel yourself. I beg, come off
I
my
look at
camera.
myself like, look at fine girl.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Bye. And please help me subscribe to the channel, okay? Thank
Thank
you.
Hey guys, I'm back again. Today is Friday. Yesterday I couldn't film anything because I was not in the mood to do that. But anyways, today my plan for today was to go out, go through my seminar because I'm actually done with the chapters, but I still have to go through it over again. So yes, I already went out for that, but I didn't do it because the person that I was using his laptop did not bring it today. So the other plan I had for today is to go to the market to buy some stuff for what I'll be cooking. So I already got that, and I also want to collect my chebe butter that I ordered for, but I've been trying the lady's number and it's switch off. So I'm back home, like I'm back home, and I'm feeling sleepy. I want to sleep. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm hungry as well, but I don't know. I'm just feeling lazy. There's this feeling when you are living alone that even waking up in the morning used to be a problem for me. And it's not if I don't wake up early. I wake up early, but then I just find myself lying down on the bed doing nothing until like 11 a.m., 10 a.m. before I stand up and start doing anything. Right now, I'm hungry and
I
I'm
finally
feeling
made my
sleepy.
egusi
I don't know
soup
what to
and
do.
I ate it
I don't
with
know.
my
I'm feeling
eba,
lazy as
although
well
I
to
wish it
cook.
was semo.
But whichever one
So
I do,
later in the day, I
I'm
washed
definitely
my
going to
mini braid
survive.
because the braid is already 2
Oh
weeks.
God.
So I decided to wash it and then do a little hair care. And I made use of my leave-in after washing. While I washed it, I made use of shampoo, my conditioner, and deep conditioner. So I allowed it to dry a little bit, although it's still wet. But I went over with my leave-in conditioner, leave-in mega good strengthener, anyone you use or anyhow you want to call it. So after using my leave-in, I went over with my oil, clove oil, to massage my scalp and also use it around the ends of my hair and the strands of the hair as well. And after I made use of my oil, I went over with my hair cream because for now I still don't have my, I've actually collected my chebe butter. Yes, I later got the chebe butter from the lady yesterday, but I haven't opened it yet, so I still made use of my hair cream to complete my hair care routine. So guys, I know this is a vlog, but I'm just sharing with you guys my hair care since it's part of what I did this week. So if you've not been watching my hair videos, please do well to watch them. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, this is where the vlog is going to end. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, ciao ciao, bye bye.